Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the spool and the machine so threading goes smoothly. With the machine off, set the spool on its pin and secure it with the cap. This prevents snagging. Next, pull the thread and lead it through the first top guide and into the tension discs. This controls stitch tightness, so make sure the thread seats between the discs. Once done, follow the marked path toward the K-cup lever. Keep steady tension so the thread doesn't twist or kink. With the K-cup lever at its highest point, draw the thread up so it slips into the lever eye. This allows the bobbin loop to form correctly. Then run the thread down through the smaller guides on the needle bar, keeping light tension. This prevents skipped stitches. Thread the needle from front to back or use the machine's auto threader. It speeds the job. Finally, pull 3 to 4 inches of thread past the needle, so the bobbin can catch it when you first lower the presser foot, and now load the bobbin, making sure it spins the correct way as indicated. This matches the top thread's direction for balanced stitches. Pull the bobbin thread into the shuttle and hold the top thread. Lower the presser foot and slowly turn the handwheel to bring up a bobbin loop. Place both threads to the back, select a straight stitch, and sew a few test lines on scrap fabric. If you see loops or skipped stitches, recheck threading order, needle condition, and tension set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.